Hello, this is Zoe Dom. This is the Star Saloon racing truck. My husband is going to do some work to it and put an engine in it, Gene, and his brother Brian. And this truck belongs to Mike, a friend of ours. It's pretty neat. It needs a lot of work to be ready for the track, but I'm sure it's going to do awesome. And this is Mike's race truck. Gene, his brother Brian, and I and Mike have been working on for the Star Saloon. We got one sponsor sticker on so far. There's more to come we're waiting on. It's pretty nice. For the engine. Oh, speaking of the devil, there's Mike right now. There's the engine. Still have to put the carb and the rad in. Transmission cooler. Coming along very nice. Backstage and everything. Kids are gonna love it. There's my husband Gene hiding by the fridge. Hey! California on power. Here's the man of the hour. Say hi, Mike.
Hi.
I love your Hawaiian shirt.
Thank you.
It's very tropical.
I was having these tropical moments.
Right on. I think the bullet holes are going on. I still say they could have been real, but I guess stickers are better.
It'll do.
Go hard or go home. Let's get busy. Oh my God! Someone shot the truck.
Again?
Cool. Right on. Mike's fancy seat. So I put the 5-port harness on there, which is here. Very nice.
Oh yeah, here's my beer.
Racer's choice.
Oh, okay. Good for quick stuff.
Quick getting them down for that. Actually, we could use it for getting them started. And I can use this just to fine tune it.
And there's another sponsor going on. A&K Ends Trucking.
On Carrot River and Melfort, Saskatchewan. Looks pretty good, eh?
That looks excellent. Nice.
That looks fucking damn good. I don't care what anybody says.